Hello everyone. Section out the top of the hair, tie a rubber band to it and then roll it inwards. But bring it out. Then section the hair into two parts and make a braid out of it. Tie it up at the bottom of the hair. Take a section of the hair from the top and then tie it up at the back. Two more sections from either side and tie it up right under the initial section. Now insert the second section through the first. Braid the hair and then roll it upwards. Add a pin. Next, tie out the section of the hair from the top, then add a rubber band to the middle. Divide the center and then pull the hair through. This will form a twist. Take two sections of the hair from the left and the right side and then pull it through this division. Repeat this 2 or 3 times. Next, take two sections from the left and the right side of the hair, join it at the back, tie a rubber band, and then twist this hair in on itself. Take a section of the hair from the left side and then pull it through the left twist. Repeat this and join it in the middle. Take a section of the hair from the left and the right side and then twist it in on itself. In the bottom portion, make a braid out of it. Once you have made the braid, use your fingers to loosen strands of hair in the braid. Now roll this braid upwards and make a bun out of it. Add a decorative clip. Next, take a section of the hair from the top, tie a rubber band to it and then twist it in on itself. Loosen strands of hair using your finger. Then take two more sections of the hair and tie it more towards the right side, twist it and then loosen it. Repeat the same process on the left side and the right side as such. Do this until you reach the base of the scalp and then braid the hair normally. Roll it upwards. Take a section of the hair from the left side and then slowly begin to twist it, adding more and more sections as you move along. Keep doing this and then do this on the right side as well. Then join both of these in the middle. Add a decorative clip. Next, take a section of the hair from the left side and the right side but then tie it more towards the right side. Tie a ponytail with the remaining hair, twist them in on itself and then put it into the right twist. Add a braid. Take a section of the hair from the left and the right side and then tie it up at the back and twist it in on itself. Tie a ponytail at the base of the scalp, make a division and then pull both the ponytails through. Roll it up to make a bun. Start off by making a ponytail and then divide the ponytail into two sections. Make a division in one of the sections and then pull the other section through this section. Lift it up and make a bow shape. Thank you for watching.